cottage, and perhaps an end to cold mornings? My dear friend, our worlds are so different.
It is an impossible wish.
I don't care, I just want to be with you.
Improve your heart. Return after 3 acts of kindness. You have shown true kindness.
Fresh catch for the village.
Oh, thank you. It's wonderful.
Yay, fish tonight!
Enjoy it.
Oh, bless you. It's the least I can do. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Just a quick check, little one. Is she all right, doctor? She's perfectly healthy.